Hey team, welcome back. As you can see, I'm coming at you in stunning ultra high def built-in webcam format today, but I really wanted to get this out to you because HSAs are a powerful vehicle, but the fees that are associated with some of these can suck the life out of your savings. So real quick, to get you up to speed on what HSA is, a health savings account is paired with a high deductible savings plan for you to be able to put money away towards medical expenses. This account is triple tax advantage, meaning that there is no tax on what you put into the account, there's no tax on the earnings in the account, and no tax when the funds are withdrawn as long as they're used for health purposes. In retirement, one of your single greatest expenses is medical care. And so by funding this now, you're able to watch these funds grow over time. And you can invest these funds into various options, whether it be index funds or even individual stocks, depending on who the brokerage is that's a partner with your HSA. And you can really grow the funds across your working career. So let's talk about what this fee-free HSA is all about. So in my experience, I left a former employer and went to an employer that didn't have an HSA as an option. And the funds that I had in my HSA had to stay in that account because I couldn't roll it over into the new account. So because of that, my employer was no longer paying the account fee, so it fell to me, and they were deducting $5 a month off of my account. So it doesn't sound like very much, but $5 a month times 12 months a year, $60 a year, times however many years, say 30 years, and you're looking at $1,800 gone, plus all of the accumulated earnings off of that investment that you would have otherwise had, and you've lost out on a big chunk of money. So let me introduce you here to Lively, which is a company that offers a fee-free HSA, and I'll step you through their video that introduces you to what they do and tell you why I think it's a great option.
Are you sick and tired of health savings account providers nickeling and diming you with their hidden fees? We are too. Hidden fees from traditional HSA providers average $26 a year. That's nearly $1,000 over a lifetime.
And like I mentioned with my example, this estimate they give is light. It can go really heavy, so the fees can really hurt you.
This is money that is being taken from your health savings. That's why we built Lively, a modern HSA platform. It's simple, intuitive, and user-friendly. And free for individuals. No hidden fees. Really, it's that simple. Sign up in 5 minutes with our streamlined online enrollment process. 100% paperless, so you don't waste your time with annoying administrative work. Lively is designed an experience that will leave you pleasantly surprised and without any paper cuts. You can choose to invest your HSA funds from day one. No minimum balance required.
The no minimum balance requirement is really huge because most HSAs have a minimum of $1,000 or $2,000 that they require you to keep in cash, but Lively lets you put it all into investments, and then you can peel it out into your cash account if you ever need to. But this vehicle is so powerful, you're better off saving everything in here, taking advantage of the triple tax benefits for your retirement, and then paying for your medical expenses now pre-retirement just out of your pocket.
Managed entirely online. We make saving for healthcare easy for today and years to come. Sign up at livelyme.com.
So it's a really awesome option here to avoid all of those fees. Their platform, like they say, it is really simple to use. And the benefits of having this investment partnership that they have with TD Ameritrade are huge. So they don't mention that there, but because they partner with Ameritrade, you have a great platform with options to invest in lots of mutual funds. You can access individual stocks if you want to, but don't invest in low-fee index funds. And you're able to link it with your other Ameritrade accounts if you have them. So I have a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA with Ameritrade, and so you can view everything all together. And so it's really a big benefit there that they have a strong partner like that. And another really awesome thing that I can offer you here is through the link that's down in the description, you can get a $25 bonus if you sign up with Lively and transfer in at least $1,000 within 90 days. So if you have an account out there floating around, transfer it over and get the $25 bonus, and you can get an additional $10 if you keep the balance at least $2,000 in your first 12 months. So if you have an old account, like I did, I had maybe $3,000 in it when I rolled it over. I was able to take advantage of both of these. So really great program that they have available. And hopefully that helps you to save some money on your fees if you do have an HSA. And if not, look into the options available to you. And if you want to get educated more on what HSAs are even all about, there's another link down in the description to a really good book on HSAs that you can pick up for Kindle or paperback. So hopefully this was some good information. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other information might be good for you from a personal finance standpoint. So I'll keep sharing with you the best ways I know to save you money, and I'll see you in the next video.